CIET NCERT presents audiobook Kriti, Textbook of Arts for Grade 8.
Page number 134, Chapter 12, Dance for Well-Being. On the right side top of the page, there is a QR code. When you scan the QR code, you will be able to get additional resources related to the chapter. Communicating and expressing emotion. Communicating through dance. You may recall the various hand gestures you have learned in the previous grades. Each gesture can have a meaning or many meanings and can help you communicate and even tell a story. Gestures of a single hand are called asamyukta hastas or asanyukta hastas, and gestures of both hands are called samyukta hastas or sanyukta hastas. Let us take this learning a step further. The Abhinay Darpana mentions these hastas in Sanskrit shlokas. Asamyukt hasta is a shloka describing 28 single hand gestures. Additionally, there are 4 more hand gestures. On the right side of the page, there is given a manuscript, and it reads Patakastri patako dhar patakah कर्तरिमुखः मयूराख्योर्धचन्द्रश्च अरालः शुकतुण्डकः मुष्टिश्च शिखराक्ष्यश्च कपित्यः कटकामुखः सूची चन्द्रकला पद्मकोशः सर्प शीर्षस्थिता मृगशीर्षः सिंहमुखः काङ्गूलश्चालपदकः चतुरो भ्रमरश्चैव हंसास्योः हंसपक्षकः सन्दंशोः मुकुलश्चैव ताम्रचूडस्त्रिशूलकः इत्यसंयुक्तहस्तानामष्टाविंशतिरीरिता. Shlokas number 89 to 92 from Abhinay Darpanam by Nandikeswara. Page number 135. Samyukta Hasta. Shloka describing 23 combined hand gestures. Every word denotes a particular hasta. On the left side of the page is given an image of a manuscript that reads Anjalishcha kapotascha karkatah swastikas-tatha dolahastah pushpaputah utsangah shivlingikah कटकावर्धनश्चैव कर्तरी स्वस्तिका कस्तथा शङ्कटं शङ्खचक्रे च सम्पुटः पाशकीलको मत्स्यः कूर्मो वराहश्च गरुणो नागबन्धकः खट्वा भेरुण्डः इत्येते सङ्ख्याताः संयुक्ताः कराः त्रयोविंशतिरत्युक्ता पूर्वगैर्भर्यता दिभिः. Shlokas number 172 to 175 from Abhinay Darpanam by Nandikeswara. Activity 12.1 Speaking with hands. Recite the Hasta Shloka while doing the gestures with your hands. Bracket QR code. Bracket closed. On the right side of the page are given 4 images of Samyukta Hastas. The first is of Kurma, the second Katkavardhanam, third Chakra, and fourth Garunhasta. Page number 136. Exploring Hastas as a sign language. Before there was any language, people communicated using sign language and gestures. Even today, when you watch dances, you will notice how music and dance are used to share thoughts and feelings. You have learned that hastas can be used for communication. Now, observe around yourself and notice how some people naturally use hand gestures while conversing. Do you recognize those gestures? Try to create a sign language using some of the hastas that you have learned and prepare a chart. On the left side top of the page is given an image of a female Mohiniyattam dancer. At the bottom of the page, there are given 3 images. The first image is of a female Kuchipudi dancer, the second image is of a male Bharatnatyam dancer, and the third image is of a male Kathak dancer. Activity 12.2 The Language of Silence. Part A. In storytelling. Point number 1. Divide the class into 4 groups. Point number 2. Brainstorm a few situations with various characters. Each group will choose a different situation. For example, a busy road with police officers, cars, and pedestrians. A family gearing up to celebrate a festival. A group of friends going camping or playing an outdoor sport. A group of people farming and ploughing land. Point number 3. Use appropriate hastas expressions to enact the situation without words and present it in front of the class. Point number 4. This activity is similar to the mime work done in theatre grade 7 textbook, but here the focus is on making it more stylized and rooted in dance vocabulary. Page number 137. Part B. In communication. Point number 1. Divide yourselves into 4 groups. Point number 2. Brainstorm 2 sentences that you may use every day, either in class or at home. Point number 3. Enact them using only hastas and no voice to see if they communicate the idea clearly. Point number 4. This communication could be added to your sign language chart. Note to the teacher. Refer to the hasta usage as taught in the previous grades. The teacher should play appropriate music. Activity 12.3. When hands speak. Can you describe what is being communicated here? Write in the space given below. At the bottom of the page, there are given 4 images. In all the 4 images, there is a boy in a yellow kurta. In the first image, the boy is demonstrating that he is hungry. In the second image, the boy is demonstrating somebody giving him food. In the third, he is holding a plate. In the fourth image, he is demonstrating eating food. Page number 138. Expressing emotions through dance. Have you ever wondered why, when you watch an emotional performance, sometimes you also tear up? Or when you watch something beautiful, you cannot stop smiling or feeling happy? It is because the emotion of sadness or joy, which is being expressed by the dancer, is so powerful that it touches your heart. In grade 7, you have learnt about the resultant experience, meaning rasa, of a feeling, or emotion, meaning bhava. Now, it is time to try to express emotions, meaning bhava, through dance. Bhava or bhav is the first thought, the instant feeling you get when something happens. Sometimes experiencing emotions is healing because our deep emotions find an outlet. Think about that one movie, song, or dance performance that made you feel something strongly. It could be an emotion of patriotism, happiness, or even sorrow. Activity 12.4. Dance of motivation, meaning Utsaha Bhava. Choose a song based on patriotism and choreograph a dance. Note to the teacher. Teacher may play appropriate music. Now, let's focus on your own feelings, your bhavas. Remember in chapter 1, you learned briefly about how breath can also help in expressing emotions. Think about what happens when you are scared. You start breathing rapidly with shallow breaths, which causes your body to express fear in many ways, such as perspiration, trembling, and loss of facial color. It is breath that helps in expressing those emotions clearly. At the bottom of the page on the right side, there are 3 images of a boy expressing these emotions clearly. In the first image, the boy is demonstrating fear. In the second image, he is demonstrating trembling. And in the third image, he is demonstrating loss of facial color. Page number 139. Breath itself can be a powerful form of expression. For example, a heavy exhale or sigh to show disappointment. In theatre, the same emotion would be expressed differently, whereas in dance, it would be more stylized, more deliberate. In dance, the entire body, including facial expressions along with the breath, form a way to express your emotions. That is the beauty of the arts. While interconnected, each form has its own distinct language and mode of expression. At the bottom of the page, there is an image of Nati dance from Himachal Pradesh. On the right side of the page is an image of a male dancer demonstrating the Bhavai dance from Rajasthan. Moving from the feeling of disappointment to joy, how would you express it? For instance, Kolattam from Tamil Nadu or Dandiya from Gujarat express the joy or happiness within, complemented with a smiling face. Even more complex movements of Kuchipudi and Odissi may show you the same joy and happiness. Dance is one of the best forms of self expression. If you have to express the 8 emotions from everyday life, how would you express them? Page number 140. Activity 12.5. Dance to express the 8 emotions. Recall a recent moment that made you feel loved. Stay with that feeling and share that beautiful feeling with your friends. This is the Rati Bhava leading to Shringar Rasa. There is an image of a boy expressing Shringar Rasa. Did you laugh a lot at something you watched or read recently? Recreate that situation and make your friends laugh. This is the Hasa Bhava leading to Hasya Rasa. There is an image of a girl wearing spectacles expressing the Hasya Rasa. Everyone has some sad moments in life that we choose not to think about. But select one such incident, express it to a confidant, and see if that makes you feel any better. This is the Shoka Bhava leading to Karuna Rasa. There is an image of a boy with a turban demonstrating the Karuna Rasa. Anger can be a dangerous emotion, especially when let out on another person. Think about that one thing that angers you and use a dance movement to vent out that anger. This is Krodha Bhava, leading to Raudra Rasa. There is an image of a girl demonstrating the Raudra Rasa. Did you do something that was very brave and required immense courage? Share this moment as a dance with your friends. This is Utsaha Bhava, leading to Veer Rasa. There is an image of a girl with spectacles demonstrating the Veer Rasa. If you were scared, how would you react? Enact that fear with expressions and hand gestures. This is the Bhaya Bhava, leading to Bhayanaka Rasa. There is an image of a boy demonstrating the Bhayanaka Rasa. Surely something disgusted you recently. What was your instant reaction to that moment? Recreate it. This is the Jugupsa Bhava, leading to Bibhatsa Rasa. There is an image given of a boy demonstrating the Vibhatsa Rasa or Bibhatsa Rasa. When did you feel and say, "Oh, how amazing"? Grab a friend or a group of friends together to show that amazement and wonder. This is the Vismaya Bhava leading to Adbhuta Rasa. There is an image of a girl demonstrating the Adbhuta Rasa. Now, collectively look at the concepts we have discussed from Chapter 1: breath, postures, movement of the feet and arms, hand gestures, emotions, and see how you can bring them all together to express bhavas in the next activity. Page number 141. Activity 12.6. Dance from the heart. Point number 1. Divide yourselves into two groups. Point number 2. Take turns. One group performs while the other group observes. Then switch roles. Point number 3. Each group will choose a mood or emotion from the 8 emotions that you have learned. Point number 4. Play a music piece or a song which represents that mood. Point number 5. Then close your eyes and imagine something that makes you feel that emotion. Point number 6. With eyes closed, let your body respond to that emotion naturally. Point number 7. Then open your eyes, discuss with your group how you would like to express the emotion and choose a situation. Point number 8. Create a group dance expressing this situation using expression, hand gestures, postures, movements, breath, etc. Point number 9. Remember to continue feeling what you felt when you had your eyes closed. Note to the teacher will play appropriate music for various emotions for both activities. After both groups finish, the teacher should play meditative music and all students should relax, sit down, holding the chin mudra and breathe, focusing on a feeling of peace and contentment. This is the Nirveda Bhava leading to Shantarasa. Think about how you felt while doing this activity. Maybe you can use this process when something upsets you. Think about how you felt while watching this activity. Could you connect to the emotions that were being shown? On the right side at the bottom of the page, there is an image of a Kathakali dancer demonstrating the character Surupnakha. Page number 142. Oftentimes, when you are able to release your feelings, that sense of relief is an experience of emotional healing. When you watch and relate to an emotion which is being shown, you experience empathy. Dance heals both physically and emotionally. For instance, the head and neck movements, please refer to grade 4 textbook, are used to cure spondylitis. The eye movements, refer to grade 5 textbook, are used to increase eye power. These are common exercises that are practiced daily by dancers. Dance movement therapy, healing through movement, and dance and wellness are careers in which dance helps in emotional well-being. Psychologists and physiotherapists use movement as a form of therapy. The performance of Putana Moksham or Surupnakha scenes are pleasing to people of varied tastes and diverse expectations. On the right side at the top of the page is an image of a Kathakali dancer representing or demonstrating the Putana Moksham from Kathakali. Activity 12.7. Dance Choreography. Divide yourselves into 4 groups. Choose a song that you have learned in your music class that touches your heart. Compose and perform the song with all the elements of dance that you have learned in front of your class. Each group can take up few lines of the song and then compile the dance together. Page 143. Assessment. Chapter 12. Dance for Well-being. There is a table with 5 columns and 5 rows. The first column CG, second column C, third column learning outcomes, fourth column teacher, fifth column self. Column number 1 CG 1, column number 2 C or competency 1.1, learning outcomes. Engages with dance and the arts as a source of emotional well-being, recognizing their therapeutic and healing potential. Next row, column number 2, C or competency 1.2, learning outcomes. Collaborates effectively with peers, contributing ideas and offering support in the process of group dance creation. Next row, column number 1, CG2, column number 2, C or competency 2.2, learning outcomes. Makes a conscious effort to recite Hasta Shlokas with corresponding hand gestures, demonstrating coordination and understanding of their meaning. Next row, column number 1, CG2, column number 2, C or competency 2.2, learning outcomes. Shows interest in exploring the communicative power of hastas as a form of expression and symbolic sign language in dance. Next row, column number 1, CG2, column number 2, C or competency 2.2, learning outcomes. Feels confident and comfortable expressing emotions or bhavas through movement and facial expressions. Column number 4, teacher, and column number 5, self, are left blank for you to fill up. Teacher's comments and students' observations fill in the blanks. Chapter 12 ends here.
Kriti, you were just listening to this audiobook, Textbook of Arts for Grade 8. Narration Richa Jain. Sound recordist Prasoon Kumar. Assistance in production Mukul Singh. Directed and produced by Vimalesh Chaudhary. This audiobook is brought to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.